Gold traded flat while silver tried to retrace a bit but taking support at 25.40. So now what to expect today from gold and silver? Can we expect the bullish momentum to continue from yesterday, and can we expect higher highs to be achieved? What is going to be our strategy in order to profit trading gold today? We will see with the help of charts and indicators. First we look into gold, followed with silver. Watch till the end. If you're new to the channel, subscribe and press the bell icon to get the twice a day updates. Do like, share and comment as well, friends. Let's start. First we look into gold, followed with silver. Watch till the If you look at the early charts of gold, it is delivering higher lows and yes, lower highs as well. It is trying to consolidate before it gives a breakout. Thus, it is very, very important. If it breaks out beyond 22.15, you can again expect it to move towards 22.20, 22.22 levels, and then beyond that, we are looking forward to 22.30 plus levels. Also, one must note what has happened here: consolidation, breakout, consolidation, and another breakout can be expected if it continues to stay above 22.15 levels. Stochastic is rising here. MACD, look at MACD on the early chart, just crossed over, trying to trade with slight divergence, one bearish candle. So possibility of series of bearish candles exists. But what has happened yesterday on MACD on the daily charts? You can see a sharp reversal we had seen yesterday. So this is one probability you cannot ignore. Thus, 22.15 is an ideal level for us to stay bullish. RSI is overbought here. Coming to 2-hour charts, similar is the observation. On the 2-hour charts, one must notice. Look at this candle. This was a reversal sign, but see, it is not staying bullish. It has failed to stay at the lower levels and bounce back, and right now delivering higher highs. Thus, if you see it is staying below 2204 levels, possibility of it to deliver slightly lower lows towards 2197 and then 2194 levels exist, but these are going to remain greater supports for gold on the downside. And remember, prices are trading with divergence from the moving average. 20 period moving average is at 2185 levels. Stochastic rising, MACD is in green, trying to converge a bit. RSI is staying overbought. Coming to 3-hour charts, likewise on the 3-hour charts, see it is just staying in the zone, not willing to either break on the upside or on the downside. We have to wait for a clear-cut confirmation, and this is only possible if it stays below 2197-94 zone. Then we can say it is going to trade bearish. Else, a possible reversal can be also expected. A stochastic flat, MACD is divergent and bullish, RSI is staying overbought here. Coming to 4-hour chart, similar observation. Just notice that the bullishness has certainly diminished, and thus the current candle, once it stays below 2204, possibly you can take a sell entry, but then 1997, 1994, very good, or 2197, 2194, very good support exists at around those levels. Stochastic flat, MACD is divergent and bullish, RSI is overbought. Coming to daily. Now see on the daily charts what it has done: rise, consolidation, and with the flat bottom it has continued to deliver first bullish candle. Now see, whenever it gives a breakout, always the chances of a second bullish candle increases. Thus, we have to now wait for it to break beyond 22.15. If it stays above 22.15 and breaks beyond 22.22, you can say now we will look forward to 22.30 and in fact 22.38 levels. These are also possible. Stochastic is rising here. MACD, see MACD has crossed over again and trading with slight divergence and staying bullish here. RSI overbought. So considering this, very simple, I will recommend you to buy a sell here at 2204 and expect it to move towards 2197, 2194, which is going to remain a great support. Below 2194 is where slight further bearishness will take it till towards 2184-85 levels. Very good support exists there. And below 2184-85 is where the bears will try to take over. On the upside, a buying entry I will recommend is only and only if you see gold is staying above 22.15-14 levels. Yes, if you see it is staying above 22.14-15, you can initiate a buying entry there. Expect it to move towards on the upside. We can look forward to 22.20, 22.22 first targets, 22.30 the next targets, and then 22.30. Take your positions accordingly. Now let's have a look at silver. And before that, if you want to learn this art of trading, you can be part of my 30th mentorship batch starting first week of April. Do not miss to register for it. Yes, in this mentorship batch, we only focus on two things. First is to equip you with the strategy and the concept which can help you identify profitable trades with the ease, and the second one is the art of trading profitably. Combining these two, you can become an independent and pro trader. So do not miss this opportunity. And yes, if you just want to trade as per signals, you can be part of my signals channel on Telegram. Now let's have a look at silver. And many of you had asked me to recommend a broker which is trustworthy, safe, secure, with global presence, and yes, offers a swap-free account with the lowest spreads. You can find the recommended broker link in the channel and video description. Look at silver on the early charts. It has come towards 20 period moving average. It is taking support from the 20 period moving average. Right now I can see it consolidating on the upside and downside. Yes, there are greater supports and the resistances, and thus once you see it is staying below 25.35, you can initiate a selling entry. We can look forward to 25.20 levels, and 25.20, 25, these are going to be the stronger support levels here on the downside. Remember, these were the resistances, now these are going to remain the support levels. The stochastic at bottom, MACD crossed over for sell, RSI coming out of the overbought zone. Likewise on the 2 hour charts, higher lows, lower highs, consolidation going on. Thus we need to wait for a break below 22.35 or 25.35 levels. Below that, certainly more bearishness may prevail. The stochastic has dropped, MACD is in green trying to converge, RSI coming out of the overbought zone. On the 3 hour chart, see, we can see a swing candle. Preceding candle was a swing candle. What it may try to do, achieve lower highs here at around 25.50, 25.55, and then from those levels it can try to move towards 25.20. So this is one possibility you should not ignore. And remember, 25 to 25.20, this is strongest support for silver here on the downside, even if it tries to raise the gains. The stochastic has dropped, MACD is in green, RSI has just come out of the overbought zone. Look at the 4 hour. Similarly, on the 4 hour chart, see one red candle, consolidation, another red candle, and now this time we can expect it to deliver second red candle, at least moving towards 25.20 levels. Possibility is there, and in fact it can erase the gains towards $25 levels. So be watchful. Stochastic coming out of the overbought, MACD is in green trying to converge, RSI is flat coming to daily. Now look at the daily chart, slightly higher highs, slightly higher lows, trying to trade in this zone. It is trying to stay within the box here, and now we have to watch out if it breaks beyond 25.80. In fact, not only about 25.80, but you can buy 25.70 itself, beyond which we can look forward to 25.85, and then if it breaks beyond 25.85, stay bullish for 26.10, 26.40 zone. Yes, a stronger rise can be expected. If it breaks beyond 26.10 levels, certainly more bullish momentum is going to be seen there. On the downside, a selling entry I'll recommend is at 25.35, where you can expect it to move towards 25.20, which is going to remain a strong support. Then $25 levels. These two levels are going to remain prime support for silver for the day. So take your positions accordingly. Like, share, subscribe, and comment. Join my mentorship batch and signals channel. Do watch the twice a day updates. Just subscribe and press the bell icon. Thank you. Have a great profitable trading day ahead. Thank